Okay, here's a really interesting play. Aethir, A-E-T-H-I-R, blockchain, and relating that to AI technology for gaming and for just general AI. If you didn't manage to get hold of one of their nodes, their checker nodes, they're pretty expensive now, so an alternative you've got is to buy them on the open market. So here we are at HTX, and we're trading ATH versus USDT. We can see in the last 15 minutes this has popped up quite explosively. Let's just have a look and see what that is on a few minutes. There's clearly a big buy coming in here at 6.65 US dollars, pushed the price up to 7.1 US dollar cents. So then that came back quite quickly. So we are now working out, what do we do? Do we come in having this price having popped up? Let's just have a look at a 30-minute time frame. It's testing this point of resistance here. Let's have a look at the 1 hour time frame as well. Let's bring this over. So clearly on the 1 hour time frame the price is capable of going from 6.2 cents there to 7.8 over about a 6-7 hour period. Then it came back, and now we seem to be going in this upward, bit of an upward channel. But as a brave person who buys in here at the top of a green candle, but I'm going to be brave. We're looking at the medium to longer term here anyway. This has only become available in the last few days. The volumes are looking good. The volumes are increasing as more people receive their ATH from their checker nodes. They're receiving those complimentary before the checker nodes are even fully live, and once they go fully live from the 27th/28th of June, then I think people start to get even more serious, or a lot of people will fall by the wayside because they've not realized they need to run their checker nodes, because that was a couple of months ago they first went on sale. I do have a checker node myself as well, and I'm going to express my interest here. I'm going to purchase just under $10,000. So let's come back in again. Let's look at the chart on a closer 15-minute time scale. Let's bring this up here. I might put an order in at 68, because over the last hour it's gone from 64 to 68, so you're looking 6-7% increase, and it will come back. There's no point in chasing these things, so let's try that. We'll put an order in. We want to pay 68. We'll go 05, just a little bit higher, and let's use almost 100%, so that'll give us 140. Actually, we can do 140,000 Aethir. Let's do a nice round figure there, and we'll click on buy. So the order is successfully placed. We'll sit and wait and see if that gets fulfilled. Got to come down about 1% from where we are at the moment, so that is feasible. If not, we will let it go and we'll try and pick it up another time. Let's I'll add this onto the video if I'm successful or not, so you'll see. If the video is longer still, then you'll know either which way. But I'll pause that there, and then we'll come back a bit later. There we go. Boom. Order filled. So we're into Aethir ATH at 6.8 US cents. We will have a stop loss on there at a set figure, which I won't say on the video, so I don't want people manipulating the price for that, but I do have a very strong stop loss philosophy. You've got to stay in the game. It's not easy at all, but I'm happy with that. We're in, and we'll see what it goes. If you'd like to see what happens in the future, if you'd like more updates on Aethir, also anything else that that I do for the last, well, since 2001 I've been creating a full-time income online, do go to thanksforwatching.com if you'd like a free gift on that basis as well. Do subscribe to the channel if you want to be kept up to date with Aethir, Gala Games, angel investments, and general money making ideas that are legitimate, none of the scam stuff that's all out there, then do subscribe to the channel as well. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.